I visited your home this morning. After you'd left. I tried to play husband. I tried to taste the life of a simple man.
Blow it away!
It didn't work out. So, I took a souvenir. Her pretty head.
What's in the box? What's in the fucking box?
Give me the gun.
Just go.
Tell me she's alright!
You made her a suspect, David.
No!
Just threw it all away, you know.
No! Oh, God! Oh, God! What's in the box? No!
Your 7 did listen.